Good morning, bird lovers. Thank you for tuning into my YouTube channel. Like, subscribe, and hit the bell button for all my video content to be notifying your phone annoyingly while you're sitting in a business meeting, while you're trying to make money, or talk to your kids or wife. Anyway, thanks for tuning in. I'm here at the Blacklick Metro Park this morning early. Took care of the human needs, and now I'm going to hike into the woods. Hopefully today I can catch an owl, hawk, and other critters surviving in the 32-degree weather, even in the dead of winter. See, now with this camera and having the zoom capacity, I'm not startling the squirrel. And then you get shots like this in video, which he'd have done ran from me. He hears me. Hey you! Hey you squirrel! See that? Nikon P1000. Nikon, don't go 4,000 millimeters. Concentrate on DX sensor, more megapixels for resolution. 3,000's plenty. Okay, that's my plug. Got ourselves a raccoon in a tree. Right there he is. Little fella. Okay, a little closer here. My discussion about the Nikon P1000 point and shoot Coolpix camera. What a weapon in the realm of nature photography and filming, as you're going to see in this video. See him? There he is. Folks, this is the Nikon P1000. This is awesome. Sitting in his apartment, checking me out. Safe distance. He just blinked at me. There, that's 3,000 millimeters. Hand held while talking. There, look at that. Yeah. Want to shout out to all my new subscribers. Thank you. Hit the bell button so you can get all my video content. Have a wonderful day. Stay focused. Take pictures. Life is short.